The Vangsta. Danny Schizo. Jetski. We taking this to a higher level.
Way higher level.
Yeah, I'm so high right now, I've reached a higher level. I'm so fried right now, come get up on my level. There's so many things to talk about. Actually, come to think of it, I'll probably space it out. I'm so high right now, I don't believe the sky's the limit. Standing outside, looking up, I see no ceiling. Smoking on a blunt or what it takes to feel I'm winning. Drinking on some Kool-Aid mixed with liquid potions were the higher feeling. I'm so high right now, I'm reaching out for better opportunities. Floating far away like I'm defying gravity. Think I'm better off solo onto my journey. Having backup plans and better strategies. Learning about the basic standards on humanity. Scrambled up my brain like A's, don't look down on me. Digging deeper down the rabbit hole. What the fuck was that?
What's up, huh?
Come get up on my level. Say it once again. Come get up on my level. Say it one more time. Nah, I hate repeating myself. Psychologically, it isn't good for my health. I'm so high right now, there I go saying it once again. See what I mean? I can't make this shit up, I can't pretend. Help me get my mind straightened out. Moving onward to another topic we can talk about. The AIs are taking over, honestly, it's freaking me out. Once they fully taken over, what the fuck are we humans supposed to do now? I'm so high right now, mind altered without a doubt.
Oh my god. Oh no. I'm on a higher level, bro. Yeah. It's Danny Schizo. Oh my god. The aliens are back, bitch. Yeah. It's Danny Schizo. The aliens, drones, the supernatural approach. It's Schizo, yeah, I just finished smoking this roach, yeah. Think I see the aliens in the sky again, doing this shit, and I'm gonna go win. Hey, bro, motherfucking A, no. You know it's just Danny fucking Schizo, and I'm doing it now with some no, I'm gonna hypnotize you to believe this, I don't care. I'm gonna get it going like what's over there, and hey, that's in the sky. It's an alien ship, and it ain't no fucking lie, yeah. I'm gonna hop up in this ship. I said listen to the motherfucking words I spit. We are going up in the zone. This is our shit coming from my fucking phone. There's the aliens, and yo, I'm back. Feel my shit, yeah. This is my rap. I'm an alien in disguise, yeah. But I still like a burger with my fucking fries. Yeah, I'm an alien, give me my fucking food. I'm gonna do this shit, gonna be so rude, yeah. I'ma do it now, I'm an average Joe. I'ma do it cause Danny about to blow.
I just had $1 below me. Understood, but I hold you. You want with my drone, fuck one and only. You gonna see what you wanna be. Understood, but you know I'm getting blown by $1. Cause I understood this. It was a cycle to suicide. And the next they start with the bullshit. Weirdness. So different, but you're gonna see clearly. Feel great, you know, I feel great, man. I feel great, man. I started to see $1 and I just got hard on. I just had $1 blow me. Feel misunderstood cause I'm not feeling the right way. I see $1, they want me to blow me. In a different dimension. I grew up in a born infection. It all just meant in an instant. Thought it was an instinct. Boy, bad as an instant. Shout out to the risk clean. It can get risky. They by my side cause they know we gotta kiss. Pull on the side, pull up on the side, pull up on the side. The issue, what really is he? $1 gonna blow me. You should understand that they're on my side. Aren't the better trust because they're on my side. They're on my jog all the time. Hold up, dog, run quick cause this dog's about to blow me. Equal for the team cause all these dogs is gonna chose me. Just running out so I gotta start being focused. Holding my name so I don't get lost. I love my low drive, I'm like, how the fuck am I supposed to cope, bitch? I really wanna know this,
Dalek exterminate! Going through a portal, ain't no average moral. Dollar signs on my back, like I'm going through a studio. Yeah, it's the shit. But you know it's a horrible diss, so miss another bit, cause you Danny fucking Schizo. I'm a soul through the sky. Kanye twin, that's a show for the lie, yeah. When a bitch call me an average Joe, like a witch, bro, watching this motherfucking shit now. Cause Danny bout to blow. Don't have a cow, like I'm on, and this is the Schizo show. That's so low, but when I think they cross the line, I'm just before the Matrix became a theme. Theme of one in Doctor Who number 3. I'm the Doctor Who from the Doctor Who trilogy. I'm a nerd with the bookwork. That's right, Dr. Book. It's the third. I got the Daleks on my back, and the Cybermen ain't far. Should I get a bestie? That's the Doctor's car. I'm the Doctor. Before going back in time, you better watch the clock, yeah. Don't you get it like it was? Shit going down like it is your spine. It's more like a rug. I'm Danny the Thug. I'm the Doctor, going back in time. Back before you primates could even fucking rhyme. I'm going to the world once again. Let me tell you about a story about when I fucking win. 2024. I'm Danny, bro. Yeah, I'm hardcore. It's like I'm in. Rick, I'm just your average Morty. This is the Diss Olympics. Don't make me grab a 40. Let me tell you, don't you dare. I ain't no average Joe, but I'll rip out your hair. I don't know, and I don't have a care. Yeah, the aliens are back. I said Danny, motherfucking schizo on the track. Yeah, Danny's back, and this the new Danny flow. This is Danny Schizo motherfucking show. I'm gonna go blowing up. I said I don't give a fuck. I'm doing this shit. Going on the mic, gonna get it real quick. Yeah, this is the shit. Get it like it click. Yeah, here I motherfucking go. Danny Schizo like it was the Schizo show.
I smashed the bezel with the cuts. I should never give up. I got this alien trying to pick me up. I'm in the UFO now. I took it over. I'm feeling good cause I just tested Hofa. Wow, I'm gonna pick you up. I got alien guts all over my foot. Never gave a fuck. This dollar just blew me so he know the way up. I keep on calling it slowly and I've been on the law. What's the bitches about do this? I keep on doing my shit cause I do it on fit. Alien guts, never gave a fuck. I just keep going up. I seen a man drive this fast, but blowing up the seats. It's going fast. Motherfucker, what you need? I'll give it I pick up a none on my line. It's on my drive to the side. But I got it inside. And it was holiness, and it's you a loader. Pray for all this damage that I've done in this bitch. You really had an intro, I never gave a fuck. Cause I'm an alien when I come up in this butt. What's been going on with yours? I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Feel like alien or ghost, cause I'm in them phones. And it's so can motherfucker what you already know. Kids so blowing up in this bitch. I call hope so we can listen to this track so we can get lit. The next dropping, you already know we ain't at risk. Actually, about coming up with the tracks and bass and fucking what you miss. It's always a new flow, a new way, a new goals. That's it.
And then it's not. This is the bitch gonna get shot. Gonna do it with the garage. Yeah. Like Jack Sparrow, I'm an alien, call me the Dalek Pharaoh. I'm sailing like a hero, like I was Jack. Yeah, but Harlow, yeah. I'm doing it now with Samardo, like I'm Monte Carlo. Yeah, I'm gonna go far, yo. Yeah, with Blake. I got the banks jug, we gonna be smoking on some cake and some weed. Do this shit with the motherfucking seed, yeah. With my bro. We gonna kill all the hoes who fuck with us. Yeah, it's Schizo. We don't need this bitch, yeah, we don't need big flow. Yeah, it'd be a shit show. We got the Schizo, yeah. It said he's wiggity wiggity whack. This Olympics bitch, yeah, it's gonna be on the attack. I'm gonna go crack my joke. And now with the veins still, we gonna have some hope. Aliens in the sky. I'm Danny, I'm so high. The bitch, yeah, I'm so fly. I'ma do it now, even if I was shy. Doing this shit ain't no motherfucking lie, yeah. Yo, high in the sky. Farewell, say bye. Got the weed, got the seed. With banks we gonna feed. them all. The rap shit, yeah, give them a call. Got jet ski on the tap, doing this shit, yeah, that's a fact. Yeah, here we motherfucking go on the track, going toe. We're gonna go and fight, doing this shit like it was fight night. Do this shit on sight, on the attack, doing this shit, just another fact. Doing this shit just like another fucking cat. Doing it, yeah, right off the bat, yeah. Yo, on the mic, do this shit like it was a punk tie. I don't even care because it's black and white. Got the ice cream, got these girls, yeah, they're gonna go and scream. It's Danny Schizo.